DOF.
The Sharp2 Plus clearly has many advantages. Next, let me show you how to assemble and use the product in detail. Please watch carefully and follow along step by step.
First, let's open the box. Inside, there are 3 boxes containing a milling machine, a water tank, and compressor, and a dust collector. How to assemble. After removal, you must assemble it in the following order. Place the dust collector at the bottom, and then the water tank and compressor table on top. Firmly fasten it to the groove, and then finally assemble the milling machine on top of it. After assembly, you must level it. Place the leveler on the milling machine and tighten the bolts with the wrench on the 4 fixed supports. Since the Sharp2 Plus is precisely designed at the factory, just check the level here to be sure. How to connect the cable. Now, connect all power cables and position the power strip, and connect the D-sub control cable. You know the lines should look the same as you see here, don't you? Connect the air-related hoses to their respective locations. Check product activation. Now that all assembly is complete, you have to run the product to ensure it is functional. First, turn on all the power switches of the milling machine, water tank, compressor, and dust collector. Press the blue button on the right side of the milling machine to turn on the control PC and run Motion App. After running Motion App, check that each axis of the milling machine moves properly. Place the default zirconia and PMMA tools at the corresponding tool port number. After it's warmed up, insert a calibration tool and press the auto calibration button for axis correction.
Now that all assembly of the Sharp2 Plus is complete, in the next section, I will explain product execution and milling methods in detail.
DOF.